Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync Outlook with Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup. So from here, we click on setup and we need to simply just click on Outlook or search for Outlook in the quick find. So from here, we will find the Outlook integration and synchronization. So basically, after clicking here, it will take us to the Outlook integration and sync. And basically, you will need just to make sure it is enabled. And from here, you will be able to start uh, syncing your Outlook account. So basically here you will let just the user access the Salesforce records from Outlook, and basically you will need just to give them the integration and Outlook, and you can find it in the Salesforce Outlook. So as you can see, you can just get this Salesforce application from the Microsoft's uh, app source, and you get it now. And after that, you will need just to log in into your account from Outlook, and basically you will have your accounts that will be synced. And from there, you can start logging the email messages to Salesforce while composing. You can also start syncing your calendars, your messages, also your contacts, etc. Also, you can have customized content with App Builder if you are going to build some app, etc. And you can have more of these features. So simply, those are the simple steps on how you can synchronize Outlook with your Salesforce account. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.